Alright, so I put up the photo booth in my living room. So this is in general the setup I have. I have here a backdrop for the photo. I have the camera with a tripod and a computer here, where you can see the photo that's taken when you press the enter button over here. Alright, so hello dog. So this is the enter button. This is the photo that you will see. Alright, so let's see. That's me with the camera. Alright, I think this works quite fine. What do you say, dog? At a party I had some signs with it. Here's one says photo booth, grab a prop, strike a pose. My wife made it, looks very nice. Yeah, some photo props. Looks a bit messy here, but just to get an idea. Yeah, and some signs with some instructions if you want. Here you can see a couple of photos I made at the wedding. So the technical details about how to make this work. First you need a computer, you need a Canon camera, USB extension cable, preferably 2 of them. Then you need a mini USB to normal USB cable and some kind of button or you can also use a mouse button to operate the photo booth. This one you can buy very cheap at AliExpress just for a couple dollars or euros. There's 2 programs you need to download. This one and this one. Okay, then you need to connect your camera to your computer with your mini USB cable. Alright, now you have the camera connected to your computer. You have the program installed. Whenever you activate the camera, the program will start automatically. If it doesn't, you have to manually open it. And this program you can operate your camera. For instance, if I push this button here, this camera will take a picture and you will see a quick preview of it here. With this program, if I press space, this button is activated. It will make a photo. So now the challenge is to connect this space button to your activation button or mouse. And that is when the other program comes in. Now we're gonna plug in the activation button for the camera. We're gonna need the auto hotkey program, software program for this, to make a script to bind this button to the space bar. Because the space bar activates the camera shutter when you have the Canon camera activated. Alright, so you don't need to be a software engineer or whatever. Just do what I do. If you downloaded the program AutoHotkey, create a text document, give it a name, doesn't matter, I say give it a name. Then we need this text, this is enlarged. This is what you put in the text document. Then save it, close it, then change the extension txt into HAK. Enter. Yes. Alright. So now we made a script that makes this button activate the spacebar. It's binded together now. So enter. We're going to activate it. Now it's activated down here. You see a green button. It's yeah, you can reload the script or whatever, exit, suspend it, pause it, whatever. Alright. So whenever it's activated, it will, now this one will activate the space bar. If you would like to use your mouse to activate or to operate the camera, you can use this script, for instance. Any button on the mouse will activate the camera now. But be careful, if you activate this script, it's not possible again or anymore to use the mouse in the proper way till you pause the script or close the program. So then you can use this one to go down there and then go to the hotkey and then pause the script or exit. and then you can use mouse properly again. So now when we turn on the EOS utility program and we press the activation button, this is what you're gonna see. Yeah, now you can see if I press again it doesn't work because this one needs to be activated. So now again. And now if you continue, it will continue making photos. I've got the camera on manual focus because when it's installed on a photo booth, you don't want it to autofocus. It needs to be adjusted once, then don't change it. So if you want to make a sharp picture, you can go to Live View Shoot. So now we see this and we can make it sharp. It's good like this, don't touch it. We can close the live view, activate this one again, push the button. Now the next thing is you want to move this one out of the view. Yeah, this bar you can make an adjustment so it hides itself, and then enlarge this one. When it's enlarged, oh, there it comes again. Okay, put it back in the corner. Yeah, like this. So now when you press this button, it keeps on making photos. So this was the technical part. For building up the screen, I made some pieces of wood, make them together with tie ribs. So, okay. Then I have two pieces that look like this, and I'm also going to connect them with tie ribs. So here I have the sheet. I have the sheet connected to a piece of wood, like this, on several points. And then here's the light strings, also connected here with some tie ribs. It still looks a little bit crappy like this, but when I put it over here, the fabric has some folds in it. Here's a trick. You can use the water spray to get all the wrinkles out of it, like this. So I'm finished with the water spray. As you can see, it's much better now. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the light bulbs turned on. I think it's quite neat. Alright, I want to show you how it looks like in the back. Yeah, you can see here I just dropped over the wooden piece, and yeah, with the tie ribs connected for the light bulbs. So here's the little thing to control the light buttons. You can do whatever you want. So there's two pieces left. I have here two wooden pieces connected together here with a screw, and I use a knitter to attach the fabric like this. Folds, and then knit, folds, knit, and then it comes together like this. Yeah, some flowers. Yeah, all from AliExpress, quite cheap. So I just put it over on a corner like this. Just drop it over. And then the other piece. So this is what it looks like with the light bulbs turned on. I think it's a nice backdrop for a photo booth. Alright, that was the video. Thank you for watching.